aşık bo'lgandan beri tunalmayman o'zimni bo'lib qoldim bir qarab sening zulfining asiri ba'zilar bilan so'kishib seni mendan talashmoq bo'lur mana askinganga qoldi raqiblar bilan so'kishib aski muhabbat jirma bo'ldi meni aski yigit qizim meni yo'lingga qarab izini paylab yuraman senila o'ylab muhabbat jirma bo'ldi meni aski yigit qizim meni yo'lingga qarab izini paylab yuraman senila o'ylab faqat ishonmay yoki xotirjam yurma uyg'oting bilmayman nima qilishimni bilmayman meni aski deb o'ylama ichimda hali yo'q dema odat qo'ydim men o'zimni kim qildi seni xafa aski muhabbat jirma bo'ldi meni aski yigit qizim meni yo'lingga qarab izini paylab yuraman senila o'ylab muhabbat jirma bo'ldi meni aski yigit qizim meni yo'lingga qarab izini paylab yuraman senila o'ylab
MC Kelly. Hey. This one now with my brother Abrojan. Bad boy in the house. MC Kelly, Abrojan on the floor, make it bounce. Check this out, break it down. Let's hit the sun, hey, walk through the door and let's get on the floor. Now everybody come on and feel your favorite song. MC Kelly, Abrojan, bad boys forever. Come on.
muhabbat jirma bo'ldi meni aski